How to get a brighter, better smile. Makeup tips for whiter teeth. Flick on a lipstick or gloss in a shade like cherry red, wine, berry, plum, or rosy pink. The blue-based or pink-based undertones will make any yellowish tones in your teeth less obvious. Try a lip plumping formula for a fuller pout. Ingredients like cinnamon and mint boost blood flow to the lips. At-home whitening. You got plenty of choices to brighten your teeth without a visit to the dentist's office. Whitening toothpaste remove surface stains with gentle brushing. Try whitening gels, pens, rinses, strips, swabs, and trays that you can buy in the drugstore. They work by bleaching teeth with a mild peroxide. Bonding. A small fix for teeth. If your teeth are chipped, broken, cracked, or badly stained, bonding can be an easy fix. It can also be used to fill small gaps between teeth. Your dentist applies a tooth-colored resin and then molds it like putty to a tooth. He then uses a high-intensity light to harden the material. In the final step, he polishes the new bonded tooth. Correct a gummy smile. The fix could be a surgery called crown lengthening. Your periodontist, a specialist in gums, will numb your mouth. Then he cuts away extra gum tissue to expose the full length of your front teeth. The surgery may only take an hour or less. How long it takes for you to recover depends on how much work was done. Choose the right dentist. Helping you keep a bright and healthy smile is an important part of what every dentist does. For some things, though, it's a good idea to see a specialist. An orthodontist straightens your teeth. A prosthodontist restores teeth that are missing or that need special repairs. A periodontist specializes in taking care of gums. An endodontist does root canals. Ask your dentist for a recommendation. Watch your drinks. Anything that stains a white shirt, like coffee, tea, cola, or red wine, can also stain your teeth. Try to cut back if you drink this every day. And rinse your mouth with water when you are finished. Brush, floss, and rinse. Follow the basics of good dental hygiene for a dazzling smile. Brush your teeth twice a day, better yet, after every meal. Replace your toothbrush every 3 or 4 months or early if the bristles start to fray. Floss at least once a day. Rinse with an antibacterial mouthwash to fight plaque and to keep your breath fresh. See your dentist for a professional cleaning regularly. Cosmetic injections. This might help if you feel thin lips and fine lines are dim in your smile. Hyaluronic acid fillers can plump them up. They can also pad the creases that run from your nose to the corners of your mouth. A Botox injection can smooth out fine wrinkles around your lips, which are sometimes called smoker's lines. If you smoke, stop. Quitting will help keep those lines from coming back. Get a veneer makeover. If your teeth are badly stained, crooked, or misshapen, fixes like bleaching or bonding might not be enough. Try porcelain veneers that cover up trouble spots. Getting veneers can take 2 visits to the dentist, but they can change uneven yellow teeth into a straight row of pearly whites. They are custom made to fit the front surface of your teeth. Braces for beauty. They are not just for kids. Braces can straighten your crooked teeth and close gaps in your smile. They can be made with ceramic, tooth-colored brackets, or even clear plastic. In some cases, you may need to wear them for only 6 to 12 months.